Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and we decided to upgrade the post that is holding our mailbox with this Venetian bronze aluminum mailbox post. I'm so glad that we did. The look is incredible. It really adds a level of style to the front of our house. Not only that, the post is aluminum, which tells me that it's going to last and last. Now, the installation was not difficult. It was very straightforward since we already have a mailbox in place. We simply had to remove the old cover on our mailbox post and then slip this one over. So style and look were some of the reasons we chose this post, but also because of its construction. It has a brace that's large and sturdy. We felt that it would be able to hold our large mailbox that gets quite heavy at times. So putting this together, you get the sense that it's very durable. It has a really nice look to it, but it's designed well, and it has a good support for your mailbox. So we've already gotten compliments on how it looks in our front yard. We just feel that it's going to be a beautiful focal point for years to come. So if you want to upgrade the front of your house by replacing your mailbox post, this one is aluminum, so it's going to last for years, and it's going to add such a beautiful look and so much style to your front yard. And that is my point of view.